Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up App Lock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings, then scrolling all the way down. Following that, click on Security section and tap on App Lock. Now choose Enable at the bottom. Then pick the best option for you. You can lock your apps using current screen lock by tapping on Lock Screen Password. You can also create separate custom PIN. I will go with custom PIN, so I have to click on it and create it. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. Now you can answer this security question, or if you don't like it, just tap on any other one. If you don't like any of them, click on Custom Question and create your own. So sorry, misclick. Remember to answer it correctly below. When you're ready, click on Finish. And finally, click on the switches next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Chrome and Calendar. So when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that PIN is now required. If you wish to disable App Lock from one of your apps, you need to access the same settings. Then enter your screen lock or custom PIN and tap on the same No Blue switchers. In order to disable App Lock completely on your device, select this gear icon at the top right corner. Choose Disable App Lock at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Lastly, confirm it by entering your PIN or screen lock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!